What happens if we eat 3 eggs every day for 1 month? You still don't eat eggs every day? You will regret it after this video. I tried it and I couldn't believe the effects. You won't believe it either. Eating 3 eggs every day for a month could lead to various changes in your body. However, these changes can vary depending on your individual health status, lifestyle, and other dietary habits. Here are some potential effects of consuming 3 eggs daily. Increased protein and nutrient intake. Consuming 3 eggs daily would boost your intake of protein and various vitamins and minerals. This could be beneficial for muscle development, tissue repair, and overall bodily functions. Feeling fuller for longer. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein and healthy fats. Therefore, eating 3 eggs daily might help you feel fuller for longer periods, reducing the need for snacks between meals. Changes in cholesterol levels. Some research suggests that daily egg consumption doesn't significantly impact LDL, bad cholesterol levels. However, individual metabolic responses can vary, so some people may experience changes in their cholesterol levels. Improved muscle growth and performance. Eggs provide all essential amino acids crucial for the body. This could contribute to better muscle growth and athletic performance. Enhanced skin and hair health. Eggs contain various vitamins and minerals necessary for skin and hair health. Regular egg consumption might lead to improvements in skin and hair condition. Better mental performance. Eggs contain nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and B vitamins, essential for brain health. This could potentially enhance cognitive function and mental performance. Other benefits? High-quality protein source. Muscle development and repair. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein necessary for muscle development and repair. They are particularly beneficial for athletes and active individuals looking to increase or maintain muscle mass. Example: 1 large egg contains approximately 6 grams of protein, providing a significant amount for muscle repair and growth. Source of various vitamins and minerals. Vitamin A, found in egg yolks. Vitamin A supports eye health and maintains healthy skin, hair, and nails. Vitamin D. Eggs are a rich source of vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and immune system functions. Vitamin B12. Vital for nerve health and red blood cell production, B12 is abundant in eggs. Folate. Essential during pregnancy, folate is found in egg yolks and plays a role in fetal development. Example: 1 egg can provide approximately 9% of the daily requirement for B12, 5% for vitamin A, and 7% for vitamin D. Omega-3 fatty acids. Heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids support heart health and may reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Example: some omega-3 enriched eggs have higher omega-3 content compared to others. Beneficial for eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin. Egg yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help maintain eye health as one ages. Example: eggs with high lutein and zeaxanthin content can be particularly beneficial for eye health. Cholesterol balance. Increasing HDL cholesterol. Eggs may increase HDL, good cholesterol levels, improving cholesterol balance. No effect on LDL cholesterol. Research suggests that eggs do not raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Example: consuming eggs several times a week can provide a healthy protein and nutrient source without negatively affecting cholesterol balance. Satiating and low calorie. Weight management. Eggs offer a satisfying meal while being low in calories, aiding in weight management. Example: eggs provide a healthy breakfast option that keeps you feeling full for longer, reducing the risk of overeating. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. If you want other videos and content, please specify in the comments.